Hey guys, it's Brandon, and I'm just gonna be doing like a solo commentary because I want to start up this YouTube channel again. I know it's like nothing to start from really, but it's easier than making a new channel. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to leave a like. Okay guys, the game has started, and I'm probably just gonna, I don't know, Shark 3 rush if I can find Kane, or rush if I find no like chickens and no cane. Get in the hole. Yeah, we got both heads. Perfect. Oh, I'm a bit leggy though. We had wood on him too. Perfect. It looks like I'm going to be digging straight down. Okay. Now we just gotta hope we find something. Start some coal. Oh, what the? I'm an X-rayer. What the? That was lucky. Okay. Hopefully we can find diamonds here for a Shark 3. Because I know we will be able to get full iron. There's no way we won't get full iron from this cave. Fine. I feel like someone's gonna like find that hole up there and just fall right down. Those are diamonds. Yeah. Oh my god, please. My name on TeamSpeak is Don't Poke Me. I'm recording my name. And someone pokes me. Pants and a sword. My inventory is so messed up. That's not even gonna burn. That's annoying. Oh, look at my cave. Uh-oh. Fine. I feel like someone's gonna like find that hole up there and just fall right down. That's not good at all. Alright, bro, come here. What you saying? What are you saying right now, bro? Come on now. Oh god. Outplayed. Look at our gear and look at the time. I mean, look at our health though, that's the thing. FA. Fake, okay, yellow, kinda. No, please don't do that. Please just fight, please, please, please. Okay, now we're gonna get a rod from this, which is perfect. Grab that head first. Hopefully we can pull the win for this game. What are you at? You are definitely low. Come here. Never mind. Man, he had guts for turning around on me. No hit reg. Sand cookie. GG. GG, my fellow PvPer. He's at 18. That was a perfect rod. What are you trying to do? FNS the ground? I needed that. I need that. Oh, he was kind of stacked. Yeah. Son of a gun. Oh, okay, I I was trying to get Obby Trap. Okay. GG PvP. The story. I'm literally gonna ghost this kid if he stops again. What the? GG PvP. You try to drain me, I'll drain you. You shoot me, I shoot you. And if I could hit a shot. Oh my god, trust me. That makes me mad. Out of speed, out of regen, yet you still won't fight me. You had a rush for the boys. What's good? You think you're slick? You're not gonna spoil me all game and not get airlined. Let's go.